You shall not misuse the name of the Lord your God, for the Lord will not hold anyone guiltless who misuses his name. Exodus chapter 20, verse 7.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Abusing God's Name was written and read by Mike Whitmer.
Exodus chapter 20, verses 1 through 4, 7 through 8, and 12 through 17. And God spoke all these words, I am the Lord your God, who brought you out of Egypt, out of the land of slavery. You shall have no other gods before me. You shall not make for yourself an image in the form of anything in heaven above, or on the earth beneath, or in the waters below. You shall not misuse the name of the Lord your God, for the Lord will not hold anyone guiltless who misuses his name. Remember the Sabbath day by keeping it holy. Honor your father and your mother, so that you may live long in the land the Lord your God is giving you. You shall not murder. You shall not commit adultery. You shall not steal. You shall not give false testimony against your neighbor. You shall not covet your neighbor's house. You shall not covet your neighbor's wife, or his male or female servant, his ox or donkey, or anything that belongs to your neighbor. Abusing God's Name. The vintage photograph from World War II, taken outside a town's Nazi headquarters, carries a warning for all of us. In the photo, a comfortably dressed woman is crossing the street. A man in a suit walks down the sidewalk, while another has stopped to read a bulletin board on the corner of the building. All seem oblivious to the large banner hanging above the headquarters front door, half as long as the building. It reads, By resisting the Jew, I fight for the work of the Lord. This kind of treachery is what God had in mind when he commanded in Exodus chapter 20, verse 7, You shall not misuse the name of the Lord your God, for the Lord will not hold anyone guiltless who misuses his name. This command covers misusing his name when we curse, or when we carelessly shout God's name when we stub a toe or smash a finger. It also includes perversion, using God's name as cover for evil. We shouldn't assume we're doing God's work simply because others say we are. We must prayerfully check our work with what God reveals in the Bible. How can we know we're serving Him? Psalm 119:9 says, By living according to your word. The God who commands us to always give ourselves fully to the work of the Lord has told us what that work is in His holy book. Let's listen to Him. Let's pray. Righteous God, guard our hearts from using your name to justify what is not from you. Keep us grounded in your word, so that all we do honors you in truth, humility, and love. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. What work have you done in the name of God? How do you know it was what God wanted?
Abola ka tolo ko at tukor belaw, ar other belaw, na modya ka siyukang ar belaw, kadamlam ko dira siyukang ar belaw, tukor belaw aklisi ela siyukang ar belaw, abola ka tukor belaw, lamada siyukang ar belaw, at tukor belaw, maleak belaw, mar other belaw rarokuil belul ad, mar other belul ad. Tukor belaw aklisi ela ubdaswela ngalaka, lomdas will other belaw. Angalakal vingalak evyak lo denget tukor belaw, mendi melokot tukor Amerikel, amrail moklol ngalaka, moklol ath, el vyakal arrungel law duswel marungul mabadangel, el other belaw. Klaskok klaloban tarira ngalak belaw milil, matitulom tab omrelir marandira, matigingirar other belaw. Angalakal ngalikirar other belaw, evyakal olokot tukor belaw, avyakal arrungel other belaw. at tulula taliud, mabitanga belaw, mabitanga mrigel. Siyukang arbelaw, armid, la alsel ogim rak, الموضار تراك على قدم سيسي الذي ملقط تغور بلاور الان رارنغالك الذوم قرور التير أبلاوا independent تردغوريت سلبلو الان المون من جيريل بلاو الملقط تجينيل لو الأول ترنيلي ليقرا رجول بلو رابلو الآذ مار أذر بلاو متي ليقلي موض الأذر أذر بابلو الأذر روكير تغور بلاو مليقرا ودسوير مارندير مؤمر اللير أذر بلاو را أذر عمود البلو رارغول بلو رابلو الآذ 1900 التقوير أمريكيل أوتيت التقوير هاواي من ماذا التقوير هاواي رابلو هاواي الآن أذر هاواي الآن أو لرندير الآن لولنغاك الأذر هاواي إذا لولغوت تكينير أقوام مايكيل بلو راماريالاس من وايسي أذر سبانيول am naragwam level dart madrangel al sel evel dart yar adra sabangyon ngaragwam may gerogul blura marialas ultimukra asaybal marota magwam at tokoira gwam amil tamal el ang at tokoira gwam mamarialas at talmal lura amal tokoira sabangyon matokoira at chamoro ay gel maral tokoira marialas at chamoro aririd enyam noriab eslura amal tokoira gwam mat tokoira asbanyol el ato wu larandir ar adra gwam ma marialas ma ahawai siukang aragwam ma ahawai am naramid lo bangel at tigingir aw lubong at tokor belawa sab eramid ra al sel okim rak al modar terrak alla kadakargik el angar adr belaw lo kiwa school madalang okl al malukot tokora a belaw al mora arangalaka al suguma arangalaka dom koro uratir elang am lamu lombra amat tokora merikel mat tokor belaw kaltakatela time lombra amat tokoy ya tokora merikel mat tokor belaw yang alaka alongod adu yang mokokil maral mong el di mo tokora merikel alaw spe el mga adu enyarmid at tokor belaw at tokor amerikel otit at tokor belaw mendi imot tokor belaw al dali ay kirrokul tokor bolol ko at imot tokor amerikel tiyaw alel ang matamal e mada al adu orangi vid belu selme maklol belu lotit at tigingirarad omongalak e di molko tokor belaw rangal kemen mumkror tirrabe ka klubsey ablaya kotol skulo lis akla tokor belaw edirek molis akrar ngal kapal kulat tokor belaw edirek molis ak molgot tokor belaw el dit tokor akuk rolgot tokor belaw di rolgot tokor belaw marolgot tokor amerikel edirolgot tokor bel at amerikel tokor belaw tokor amerikel asab elo subra tv maskul endi belaw amal at tiporle kad molori vi adori da tiginget ekadam nam kodira asyukang nam kodir belaw tokor belaw loloko other belaw aklisi el asyukang makli belaw makadiliak belul dingod el diakar mawai kidra blul ad abola ka tokor belaw mlamad belaw mlamad ul deswir marandir ad el arrungol other belaw other belaw diakal kirin marur el mulkot tokor belaw rasekat malubet tangara on dibel malubal al ngarase do mentri atarangod al belu tokora amerikel am sisi aklisi el tokora los pernya belu other rokir alla kad karkik el angar other belaw ya al sel okim rakal modar terrak ya tokora amerikel am lam kodira syukangar belaw em nakitit at tokor belaw abelaw am lemolem diliak belura rogul belura blulad matikingel masyukang arngi mangiliak rogul belu mar adra blulad dakaling seul beklad umomkrura ngal umolis akra ngal mololomol belaw di belaw diakalamat loki watikingel.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com.
Notice regarding land located in Taliw Hamlet, Peleliu State with cadastral lot number 154R19. Notice is hereby given that Luil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, and Luil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Luil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, and Luil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than March 5, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subdal Girela Utumal Ngarablurabilio, Rataliw. Asubda Murabuail Maluil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, Maluil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, Amnaruli on Tril Meltobda Certificate of Title, El Girel Tial Namasadra Babal Utuma, El Murapalaw National Government, Ababiel Girel Tiloy de la Utuma, Land Conveyance Agreement, Ang Aringir Obis Ralen Court, El Sabe Langi Dil Adel Maomes Ringi, Al Sukumang Aringia Other Tel Gabli, El Soalom Tor Tiloy de la Utuma, Mal Girel File, El Tangel, El Mora Obis Ralen Court, El Diamond Meodra March 5, 2026. Lebon Beoder Tial Time ang Sabel Selul Tangel Modialurior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Chats.
This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of the Republic of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from qualified Palau licensed attorneys or legal organizations to assist the Ministry of Health and Human Services with mental health and telehealth legislative and policy update. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by Health Resources and Services Administration's federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on February 27, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-18, public notice, February 12, 2026 through February 26, 2026. Bidding period will be February 27th, 2026 through March 30th, 2026. Proposals opening will be on March 31st, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Malagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Notice regarding land located in Taliw Hamlet, Palilu State, Cadastral Lot Number 154R21. Notice is hereby given that Ngrulong lineage, represented by Obak F. Umi Sangabaw, and Ngrulong lineage, represented by Balang Ulang S. Wong, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngrulong lineage, represented by Obak F. Umi Sangabaw, and Ngrulong lineage, represented by Balang Ulang S. Wong, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the lineage who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than March 5, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subada Algida la Utoman nga Taliw Rablilio, ang kadastral lat number niya 154R21. Subada Murabway el Mangrulong lineage, represented by Obak F. Umi Sangabaw, Mangrulong lineage, represented by Balang Ulang S. Wong, Amnaruli on Trill Meltob the certificate of title, El Gidel Tiam la Masadar Babel Utama, El Murapalaw National Government. Abavier El Gidel Tiloy de la Utama, Lem Conveyance Agreement, ang aringir Obisra Len Court, El Sabel Hangidil Adel Momesringi, Al Sukum, ang aringir other Tel Tulungal al sualom tokor tialoy de la utama ikmal gidel file or tangil mar Israel court al diabol miudra March 5, 2026 lebol miudra tial time ang sabel selul tangil el modelo rior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge.
This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply desktop computers for the ROP. Specifications for the needed items will be available after March 6, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone 680-767-2552, fax 680-767-1016, or email at charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by U.S. Federal Grant P26TRANSF1. Invitation for bid number IFB 11-26. Public notice is February 20th, 2026 through March 6th, 2026. Bidding period is March 7th, 2026 to April 7th, 2026. Opening date will commence April 8th, 2026. Proposals or tenders may be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on April 7th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it is deemed necessary.
Subdel Murabway. Tia subdel mlar obisir eise rablur orior, mo eise amo amorong armidr ng esaul, rakotulurior ang irul kopsingil ang edel buil, Monday, March 2, 2026, malamol marabek kalsil sa temil aurior, ang mamorkoiringin ng rakopasang. Tia lobisa olingit tamuy klang eseura rakul adal kay malu to shower al silablur orior, madolamol malgaing eseul mangatmok la amaorirgid, malakalomula ulab lilargas mabeab. Akaltmok al maoria moklung yule legal hangargid, maarang lela balwadr orior. Al ngaringa karmiw mautang lom godong ra obi sergid ra 488-3133 ra temil orior. Komalm sulang. Public announcement. This is a public announcement from KSG Sanitation Division that our statewide environmental inspection will begin on Monday, March 2, 2026. Sanitation officers will be inspecting house to house daily, beginning at Ngarmid, Ngesaul, and finishing up at Ngargabsang. Everyone residing or doing business in Koror is hereby urged to cooperate and clean their respective surroundings to prevent breeding grounds of rats and mosquitoes, as it is for the good of the hamlets as well as Koror State as a whole. If you have any question, you may call our office at 488-3133 during working hours. Thank you.
This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply 2 each drug detection devices for the ROP. Specifications for the needed items will be available after March 9th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Chanel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016 or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by local fund. Invitation for bid number IFB 12-26. Public notice is from February 23, 2026 to March 9th, 2026. Bidding period is March 10th, 2026 to April 10th, 2026. Opening date will commence April 13th, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on April 10th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it is deemed necessary.
Kadebel subda ko dal loltob dinya adal bayray may race yung may adal bayra tablang chanson ngiray lilda remerang okas April iadra Almadu Ismail Agon, Vaisarel Augustino Blailes, Obarusong Teruot Yokay, Reire Erdimao Osiar Spis, Ninamdalabay Harry Besebs, Odal Raybay Harrington Olabu, iadra Apsang Stephen Ganay, Matakliw Salvador Ramokot, El Morarowil Admam, Rabab Mayoldabal Mo, Angalgila Targid, Radil Moay Simeng Agon, Matobias F. Agon, Ratchanis Agon Adelbay, Amlos Meersera February 20, 2026, Emlamoterok lon mga meldira March 14, 2026 rangar along. Mokomdi momdengay eminira klol subda. Kompmal mesulang signed Adalbay Raymay Reisyung May.
This is a Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply 3 each drug detector dogs for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after March 9th, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Chanel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016 or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is funded by local fund and U.S. federal grant P26 TRANSF1. Invitation for bid number IFB 13-26. Public notice is February 23rd, 2026 through March 9th, 2026. The bidding period is March 10th, 2026 to April 10th, 2026. The opening date will commence April 13th, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on April 10th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it is deemed necessary.
Subdra oral, tia subdalol tobda nga uwangar ete Matias Erbay, Pastor Albert Maldangsang, Adalbay Rakayong Yohei Merur, Ma Robinson Tuloy Clolad, Elgidela ko dalela targidra FC West, Telmlosme Ersera February 2, 2026. Akmal dile langgal targid am lamuterko kolmorina February 28, 2026, Sabadong, Rabli Ladamal Ragid Ranger Along. Malway say, yabding langgal targid at 12 ramor, Ersel Tutara AI Clock, 8 a.m., edi malmantal morablil, Rangas Alela Uwadal Ad, Ranger Along. Malway say, yagim subdar adamam, al ngarabek kalbalu, marangal grablay, al may madaalim, ede satyalulbong al sils, ranggal targid. Mangar along agim subdra wadal adra oral lidia allel adal bayra olbed helesio arurang mamo subdra bekel adad. Uldak ngir amat Petra ngir atrang inaria temong Jennifer rungul wadal adra kayong Alvina riungul Henrita tu merur teli ngiranggoy ramot Jenny ngiranggoy Ete Erbay, Mirang R. Higa, Sebastian Ngiratrang, Richard Ngiratrang, Jason Ngiratrang, T.E. Ngiratrang, Murphy Wasisang, Jones West, Esang Hilbert Martin, Mosubdar Bebi Ragaw, Harvey Rungula, Conrad Rungula, Hadley Rungula, Rongos Emmanuel, Codines Rungula, Dwight Ngiramat, Lilay the May. All agim subdra rangalgela si Miss, McKinley Singewo, Ongelol Salvador Ramor Tamar Bebi Ragaw, rangalgela Mares Tevil, rangalgela Dilol, rangalgela Smithy Singewo. Ngarar nagim subdra Mother Ngabu Tamir Mang South Junior Mam Lee, Mardang Raitrir Yutaka Mangloy, Madira Merong, Mosubdar Bekel Adad Marangalga, May Mada Mertial Albula, Beesraw Limang, Mosubdar Bekel Adad Marangalga. Ngertmaw agim subdra Darla Igu Mangay, Ngribong Andres, Marangalgel. Ngaramlanguy agim subdra Patricia Franz Heinrich, Paula Franz, Portia Franz Casole, Porciana Franz Yangilmau, Iadra Irangbong Willer Franz, Rungulram Uwang William Ngiraygalaw, Mosubdrar Adad Marangalga. Imili gagim subdrar ngulbay, madil rungulbay sariang timul, mamosubdar bekel adad marangal, may madaali mertial mong mangulbong, el sil seranggal targid. Pamela skilang galu, mosubdar bebi rakaw. Ngat pa ngagim subdra siles ngiraramyang, mamosubdar bebi rakaw. Ng esa ragim subdra wadal adra kabo hilong marsil, mamosubdar bekel adad marangal, may madaali mertial mong mangulbong, el sil seranggal targid. Iray agim subdrar mga saw Dave or Room, wadal adrangar malong Vicky Kanay, mamosubdrar bekel adad marangal, may madaali mertial mong mangulbong sils, ranggal targid. Governor Norman Ngirata Aboet, Dorothy Tadawo Ueda, Merly Tadawo Cuarte, Antoinette Merur Andreas, Miriam Saaraymul, Rosita Ora Marangalgel, James Madra Aluy Maruulel, Jeffrey Titimla, Atanasio Tiskabong, Kenyu Tadawo, Marino Miner, her iyong laben yob, mosubdrar bebi rakaw. Orior agim subdray other may Eliayob, mamosubdrar bekel adad marangalga. Marchi N. Sowalablay, Sayuri J. Isaal, Rego Uehara, Hannah Erbay, Margaret Tete Masang, Rebecca Asanuma, Cicely T. Yamada, Shiomi Masayoshi Hirkik, Deborah Ringil, Miriam Nakamura, Rosania Luis, Mangalgel Rahulda Obak, Diray Balu Natalie Erbay, Lorenza Ise Marbebi Rakaw, Kabidor Taima Mosubdar Bebi Rakaw, Ngirur Taima, Carla West, Fuana Bauloong, Kenneth West, Van Ray Tadawo, Riire Ngarbad, Dave Uehara, Chuchi Tadawo, Kandi Ngirmidol, Randy Ngiranggoy, Wayland Joseph, Bridget Adachi Marbo. Ablilyo agim subdra Edala, makablilra at miw, rabalilyo, mamosubdra bekel adad marangal, may madakay nga sewertial kamaldile latarigid. Iadribu kula idasong sumang, Sandra Pirantosi, Ambasador Dilmay Olgeril, Kompmal Masulang, Yadios Lomakal Tanga Tarigid Rokoy, Uwangar Ete, Matias Erbay. Subdra kodal, kya subdra kodal, loltobdring atet sing it sato, badul o kadat itong, Ramaseng li isawo sato, ubday Valentino Clolad, iadraro Karay Mariur, iadrading Abraham Osima, dabdebag Esebay, Samuel Ldesel, Maay Tatemong, Elmasubdra Kablilam, Maradamam, Ramaldile la FC West. Abadngelang galdil ang aramor, emlamotrok lakamaldil, el moringira sabadong, aluy eya el gabsingil el albuil. Saruday, February 28, 2026. Mangmokloy rablirir el ngarage drangar along, nga sa alela uwadal av, mga maldil motalyal sil sa emo umadakla. Mang ayang aling spadala, uwadal av harumi inawo, mamosubdra adada marangalga, rangaruisong. Rual mi ermok tamargub, maebilbaal, maobakarusong, mangiroy lang inawo sa baklim, mabrihin niya kigrilad, makabsug kigrilad, mamosubdra ar marangal ga emay madkay nga sew. Aolay mangar along eng spadla eriga Emmanuel, mosubdra arangalgem maradad emay madkay nga sew. Arangalge lamlew erongos ewatla ngirong wikla, elu erongos Henry ewatla, ruad Paulinas Kang, Gadel Jenkins, Maribal ewatla, Sabina Murphy, Irene Shiro, Pascuana Osima, Jan ewatla, Maturdan ewatla. Ted Singit Sato, Mabaudista Sato, Mosubdrar Adamarangalga. Budul ra Elgang Wilhelm Ramot, Rangalgela Shiro Budul, Rangalgela Klol Ad Budul, Rangalgela Ubdey Budul, Rangalgela Osima Budul, Rangalgela Korang Riungla, Marangalgela Ilengay Miguel, Marangalgela Gegril Ad, Marangalgera sa Ersay, Mamgaspasub de may madkay nga sew. Senator Gray Mariur Madeniga, Mamosubdrar Rangalga. Ngarar deng spadala ngiraroy sa Francis Gibb, mamihay na ta Marcel Godeb, mamosubdar adad marangal ga emay madaalim edakay nga sew. Arabu a Celestino Malsol, mosubdar ngal ga maradad emay madakay nga sew. Direkal spadala Andrew Shiro, mamiyago Andrew, mamgaspasub del bekal ad emay madakay nga sew. Ang iwal eng spadala Cecilia o Ueda, Masandra Tulmaw, mailender ngira makati, mosubdar adad marangalaga. Amalgayog eng spadala Valeria Ramot Jacinto, Ikuko Okotol, Klebas Siangaldeb, mamgaspasub de may madakay nga sew. Ang esar eng spadala ramangsong Garay Mariur, mawadal ad Maura Cordon, mamosubdar adad marangal garadalgong, may madaalim edakay nga sewertial lulubong lalal sungulang galtargid. Ayray eng spadala Spis Valentino, mamosubdar adad marangal garaasel, may madaalim mertial lulubong lalal sungulang targid. Togubet sil spadam, amorangal gela igasakasa, mamgaspasubdar roguy, may mamngasumam. Mahatsko Sato, Manorman Sato, Maklar Tiitong, Majade Victor, Matemail Klolad. Ang artmaw eng spadala arangalgelamle gegarel arurang masawo esbay, mamgaspasubda may madaalim. Ang ramlanguy eng spadala Sebastian Shiro, makabukol ldesel. Ang atpang eng spadala Rideb Okada Tiitong, Marta Tiitong Kasuma, Hugo Tiitong Lawrence, Jameson Tiitong, Matyan Tiitong, Maubday Valentino Klolad, mamosubdar adad marangal may madakay nga sew. Aoryor eng spadala dirangar kong rang talat ka esbay madrang ar, mamosubdrar adad marangal ga. Agi direkal masubdra Vice President Reynold Arnold Oilo, mamle Vice President Uadu Senior, mamosubdar adad marangalga. Agi direkal masubdar ngalgela Oigang Sebastian, marangalgela Maisar Talmatang, Raharuit Talmatang, Ruad Erina Talmatang, Mamarsiana Gibson, mamosubdar adad marangalga. Arangalgelam lebadul Sato Ramokta, Raram Asengla Isawo Sato, Yusim Sato, Mercedes Sato, Delfina Ramangasaw, Odelafi Sato Mayar, Mabridget Adachi Marbo, Lucy Marar, Selma Fukuichi, Travis Auguste, Kateri Faustino, Myers Tiitong, Sally Tiitong Sualablay, Wanda Tiitong Ramlig, Nadia Tiitong Benhart, Seth Ice Tiitong. Agi direkal masubdra esbera kadung Edwin Chokay, mamosubdrar ada marangalga. Iadray galaw Florencio Yamada, mamosubdrar ada marangalga, Maanchela Oisawang. Abalilyo eng spadala Idasyar Lester Ngiramaged. Ang ayawra eng spadala Rukubay Lay Kang Itse. Ang klamatela subda, malsugumeng lodya kang klem ertial subda, ilakabol maknitarngum, ya omdedaes may madaalim edakay nga sewertial mo ang mangulubong al sungulang galtargid. Kompmal masulang, ya Dios lo makaltangat targid rokuy. Signed, Badul Okada Tiitong.
Tial subdal mulla reng stringi, adiagal spedel, matiagal tigingel, malub engul de suela Dias Broadcasting Company, tiang aspedirar adlul top dringi haraorngi, kohmal masulang.
Subdal amildila, tia subdal top dringi ay other talwang Simeon Aberdong, Uelsia Shalom et Pisong, Runguram Uang William Ngiray Galaw, i other amay Elyayob, Renge el Simon Derbay, Madrantul sa Ichirium, the Marulib Angelinorium, the Elgidela Sarela Targidra Ebiledil Gatsue Berdong, El Mlosmer Sera February 7, 2026, Emoterkaklang al Motobra Friday, February 27, 2026. Abeldo la Tobra Morgra El Clock, 8 a.m., El Morablara Eisei, Ngatkib Ray, mga meldil el moteljal sils, madakra o the song ra aspong, rang rulwobla. Malway se, agim subdara adamam, ray galbek kalbeluwalk mo, may madaalim, edgay nga sew, ra al sungula targid. Mangra, agim subdar gaul ngirayrung isak suwala bao, mamo subdar adad marangal, may madaalim, edgay nga sew. Ang ramlunguy, agim subdar gaul rangul ram uang William ngiray galaw, Madilnglod Rosania Abia, mamosubdar adad marangal may madray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdar skang moded, machesi moded, mamosubdar bebi ragmiw may madray nga sew. Yailek al spadek nga kal yaadar talwang Simeon Aberdong, am subdar gaul eol ringil madalarak, ma Dr. ngira isaw makol, mamosubdar bebi rakaw, may madaalim edray nga sew. Angat pa nga gimsubdar ang algela Victoria Uto ngiraramyang, Rasiles ngiraramyang, ma Marcela Olwaal, mamosubdar bebi ragmiw may madray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdar sa awas, ngirakasol may desil, mamosubdar bebi rakaw may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdar ang algela Iterong, Ratino ngiraged, mamspadatira ng algelam lerengel tumarang, Radorsia Sablan, marangalgela tomoychi tumarang, Raulay tomoychi, marbebi rengi, may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdra Michael Blodak, marangalgela Martin Blodak, Ralorna Martin, Mawen Martin, mamultur radalmiw, may madray nga sew. Ay malig ay liak le togubet sel spadam amorgawel dil rungulbay sariang timul elkmo mosubdar adad marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek el masubdar gawel renge el Simon Derbay, madil renge el Augustina Elwel, mamosubdra adad marangal raaluy may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek el masubdar ngalgela ngirturong radiraybu madangalyang raklay, Marigel Nakamura, mo subdrar adad marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdrar ngalgelamle dil rungulbay eryong ngiratmab, mamgas pasubdaload may madray nga sew. Magawal kaleb ngir nga badangala, may Yosua ngir nga badangala, may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdra away ikasakas, mamay gaw ma ngalgem edray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdra gawal alid kasuyugi rangol, mangirabab rangol, mamay madray nga sew. Marangalgela sekang dolmer, sara lighter dolmer, sa maelenda rangolbay, mamosubdar bebi rangamiw, may madray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdar ngalgela Caleb Olgeril Avalbay, rasekang Jennifer Olgeril, kayukl Che ngiray galaw Olgeril, Jeffrey Malimarang Olgeril, mamgas pasubde may madray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdar ngalgela Dira Royce Olgeril, Ratiogo Dukor, Serenia Mamis, Mamarsen Olgeril, mamay madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdar ngalgela Ari, Radira Matugur Clotilde Isak, Maheli Eri, mamgas pasubdaload may madray nga sew. Agidirek al ngitargal Brengs Avalbay mo may gaw marbebi rakaw madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdar ngalgela Kailang, Rasalong mo may gaw marbebi rakaw madray nga sew. Ayray rabalurang esang yagim subdra rangal gara asel, magim subdra gawal spis Valentino ngiriklang, maodal at takako rulukd, mamosubdra rangal gela Teruye Daniel, marangal gela Bakyar, marangal gela Lali, marangal gela Oral, marangal gela Singgo, marangal gela Tamaye Tulob, marangal gela Eulelia, Mates, ra Kiku ngirngasang, maralul garingang Mates, mamgas pasubdal ad marangal may madray nga sew. Aged agim subdal ngalgela Persik, ra Steven Santos mamay madray nga sew. Agidirek al masubdal gawal Asli et Pisong, mamultur radalam ra Helena Arurang may madray nga sew. Ang rusar yayliak al spadek nga kaliadal talwang Simeon Aberdong, amorgaon rabaal at tagewo ngirmakur, ultur gargaw malamay ngalgem rakalin sa tagewo, maruudal magim alim igim gay nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdra ngalgela dilrengel Augustina Alwel, Rachinet Guniwo Nideungel, Robinson Skiwo, Roseberry Ignacio, Mategosang Osiler, mamgaspasub de may madray nga sew. Ang rulwab lagim subdra rangal grakablil rangar telwang. Magim subdra rangal gela genrath, ramle ebiledil, makasong Rami Yosua Aberdong, Obad Raul Aberdong, Madil Oligong Romana Aberdong, Momosubdra Adamarangal may madray nga sew. Arangal gelat matpab agim subdra kaol madran tul say ichirium dil tul Veronica Ngiraybay, Rulib Angelinorium rangal gela Patrick Ngiray Wotong Dalmel, rangal gela Dalmel Mobel, rangal gela Masayet Tanaka, marangal gela Ichi Mobel, mamgas pasubdlo marangal giw may madray nga sew. Arangal gela Cloldil yagim subdra rangal gela mle other talwang Singewo Teong, magim subdra kawal Toyoko Singewo Larson, mamosubdra baby rakaw, marangal gela Hiroko, Ralisat Matu le may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdra rangal gela mle ebiledil Kekareldil, raw Elsias Shalom et Pisong, Odaray Rose Ngiratreg, Manayemi et Pisong, Momosubdra baby ramiw, marangal gela baes, may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdra rangal gela Esaw, marangal gela mle other talwang adalbay, radira karkur no nalawi, mamosubdar adad marangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdra rangal gela ngatway, ra Rosalita Ngaluk, marangal gelamle ebiledil Sibong Arbadul, radil rulib LC Talay, mamosubdar baby rakaw marangal giw, may madray nga sew. Angat kib, eng spadala ramasaaw, ngirakasaw master, dil ramasaaw gerungil mis, madil adalbay doran inabo, mamosubdar adamarangal, may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar kawal, o bakaradapkar Clarence Kitalo, ngalkmo, may madaalim edray nga sew. Ato ubetsel spadam, amora ngalgela uarudla, magim subdara ngalgela kaud, marangalgela idub, marangalgela rosang, mamosubdara ngalgela sabal, may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdara ngalgela talmatang ililaw, rar iyong la Benjamin Yob, reeriw, reekamur ililaw, mamosubdara ngalgela Yohana, may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdara ngalgela Yob, radil abas Mary Cole the Yob, madingalius Moses Yob, mamgaspasubdaload, may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdara ngalgela ngira ite, raadalbay rang tibang, Ephraim ngira ite, madalala kulay giku mochimaru, mamosubdara adamarangal may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdara ngalgela masang ratuwaw, raadalain ringang Masandra Henry, mamgaspasub de may madaalim edray nga sew. A orior rabalurangar amay, yagim subdara other amay Eliayob, mau elbil rakum senna asuma, mamosubdara rangal gra ekalblay rangar amay, may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdara ngalgela humiye gibons, raladili kwarte, maodal ramayar kwarte, mamay madaalim edray nga sew. Tukubet selspadek ngali other talwang Simeon Aberdong, amurar ngalgelam lay other amay gikuwo ramaskang, la senator Rubay Inabo, ma legislator Job gikuwo, mamosubdra baby ramiw marangal ga may madaalim edray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdra dilmala al Rose masubda, elkmo may madaalim edray nga sew. Amayon sa gimsubdra ngalgela ngatop brigul, rata ring mainita, mamgaspasub de may madray nga sew. Abalilyo, wagim subdrawal balang, hulang, huwong, mablitang, yoit, singewo, mamosubdar adad marangal, may madray nga sew. Agidirek kalmusubdar ngalgela oligong arbadul, raris chunewo, marangalgela robat oligong, mamosubdar adad marangal, may madaalim, edray nga sew. Klamatela subdaw ul, material mlodekal madungang clear, akmal dekal bol makita renrir, utakang lalmay madaalim, edray nga sew ertial al sungula targid. Etirgal guk madekal sab iril may, didakalat karang lungu, Dios lolmal malobangged, elomakngal tangat targid rokuy. Signed, other talwang Simeon Aberdong. Subdrak Meldil. Tia subdrak Meldil laltabdringa obad Raul Aberdong, oligong Pablo Harugo, ngira alid Sheldon Meltel, ras areladala de targidra eviledil gatsue berdong, el mosme ersera ewi del gabsingil el al ong ewi del buil, February 7, 2026, emotorgaklang al mga meldil, raluyam ewi del gabsingil el al long erul buil, February 27, 2026, el ong eimlurior Friday. El di moringira blara eisei, el ngarangat kibrairai, el muyatasil, emo uro omalakla, ra odosong ra aspong, rangar tulwang, el ngara ngurulwobla, ra balurairai. Malwaisei agim subdrar adamam raigal balu. Malgayok agim subdrar gawal, lal adalbay, Vicenta Olgril, masenator tmagay Andrew Tabalwal, mamosubdar bebi ragmiw, may madakay nga sewertial albula. Oykul agim subdrar gawal ngira ite Dr. Victoriano, ubay Matthew Rudim, madirngerdok Miriam Chin, may mga sugumam mertial albula. Agidirek kalmasubda, rangalgelamle ngira ite Koichi Watanabe, rangalgela Tomomi Watanabe, marangalgelamle dirawrak maalin sa sato, mamay madaalim edakay nga sewertial albula. Ngaramlanguy, ang spadala rangalgela isako sokol, raway isang gitalong, mamosubda rangalge, may madakay nga sewertial alsungul ngigal targid. Ngaklaw agim subdargaul adalbay ramrap Felix Okabe, uerbalaw Tino Malsol, sum opto Malsol, marbu Tilong Malsol, edirek ilmasubde olngit rangalgela misawo subris, ratewa kwarte matkoel dulay subris, mamosubdar dagaw may mga sumam ertial albula. Orion agim subdar rangalgelam le Eriu Augustin Baye, dil oligong Romana ngiralulga, maodal Linda ngirawluy, mamosubdar bebi rigid marangalga, may madagay nga sewertial alsangulang galtargid. O sisilsub damura rangalgelar ulda, Nancy W. Bells, John Wong, Blorang Raulda, LCR Kanay, Mableso Raulda, mamosubdar bebi ragmiw, may madakay nga sew. Direkal sub damura rangalgela Paulina Sawang, Rateofin sa Araymul, Rubas Yasuo, Wikson Yasuo, Maarelang Yasuo, rangalgela rangilu madib, rangitoob ramas, mamay madakay nga sew. Agidireklol turgargawal helga ngirakasil, malmayang lagem rangyoray marbebi ringi, magimgay nga sewertial albula. Edirekal masubdar rangalgela harukoy ngais, matukusumor, mamay madakay nga sew. O sisiul subda, igimol turgargawal mle, dirabloku mihay nardial, elmerang algemra Larry Dulayer dial, Lorraine dial, Malisa dial, magim alim, egimgay nga sewertial albula. Direkal msubdra adalbayr kaswal Harry Fritz, Marimu Dominica Ngoriakl, mamay madakay nga sewertial albula. Agi direkal msubdra kaul Eriu Crispin Termetet, u Elbil Raroy sa Maxi Taima, Iblaw Jacinto Asanuma, Abbas Santi Asanuma, Madil Oligong Gegi A. Uduy, mamosubdrar adad marbebi regid, may madaalim edakay nga sew, artialulbong lal alsungul ang galtargid. Direct almasubdar gaul adalbay ratang alensid, mamosubdar bebi ragaw, may mga suma martial albula. Direct almasubdar ngalgela Arsenia Bilamang, malmay ang algemra malins aberdong, may lin Joshua, egimgay nga sew. Orior agi direct almasubdar ramli mawadal mamosubdar adadrang rubid. Mamora diraw alngel losaw odal, loltur garngi rangalgel ra Shirley atawdil odal, elmay megim alim egim gay nga sewertial albula. Dirakal maltugubet sil spadam, amora rangalgel amle ebiledil along nakamura, malme egim gay nga sewertial albula. Imli ga osisil subdra odal, laloltob din nga rebes Jan odal, erbay the May obak, maarbaang Francis Termetet, el masubdara dirabes Julia Haruo, dil erbay Dahilia Odal, madil arbaang Sheila Haruo, mamosubdara bebiligid may madakay nga sew. Agidirek kalmasubdara bekal adamam, rablayra ng rablaku, mamay mga sumam mertial albula. Direk kalmasubdara ngir aluy sawang oywil, ngatway manora, mamay madaalim edakay nga sew. Madakom malmasulang, yarubak kal Dios, lolmol malobangedra bekal sils. Signed of Ad Raul Aberdong. Subdra meldil, ebiledil gatsue Aberdong. Ja subdra o sisil gameldil ra ebiledil gatsue Aberdong, loltob niya ksaw Noah sa Araymul, Rami Yosua Aberdong, sa amlong tad ngiramangyor, rangul vicaries nga barda, ngiraygalaw Anser Makadoy, singanari Nakamura, Kekaral Obak Yona, Mayu Toribyong Makreos, el masubdara bekal adamam, rakamaldi ratargid ra ebiledil gatsue berdong el nosme rabalu rakwam yabadenge la merbela ralu yam elol malgabasingi labuil emora Palau mortuary emingi rakamaldi len lamotro kol moringi ra ongi melurior el February 27th el moringi rabla ra AC el ngarangat kib rabalu rairai abadengel ngigal maas amotuab dramor ra e al klogra tutau emorabla ra AC mga meldi lel mo yetasil em utuab del mor omlakla dire kan lamotro kol mo ndia ka alung le mga liok la marbekel ada marangal ga ong tial lel di mokla el gire la omangadal blals malway say yagim subde olngi trabekel adamam el ngaraygal balu mamay madaalim edray nga sewer tialulbong lel el sungul ngigal targid ra ebiledil gatsue aberdong mangiwal agim subdra nangalgelam subda ra elmi sa marbebi rakaw rangalgela varo ra diakon Joshua, marbebi rakaw, rangalgela Marcus Baab, Ramarlon, marbebi rakaw, rangalgela Saruang Takataro, ra Speaker Hideki, marbebi rakaw, rangalgela Daudalin Tulmaw, Radiray Madoyu, Mercy Olgari, la marbebi rakaw, marangalgela Miray Yob, ra James, marbebi rakaw. Adire kaltoku betsel subda morangalgela Timarong Adalbert, ra Ronald, marbebi rakaw, mamay madakay nga sew. Amal gayo kagim subdra rangalgela amle dil soksaw kalalbay kadoy, ra Hanenore, marbebi rakaw, rangalgela Limay Gono, rangalgela Sofia Blayos, rangalgela amle rungul Peter Alus, Pastor Hubert Charles marangalgem, Diraryu Marta Alus marangalgem, Stomy Nobuo marangalgem, rangalgela Philip Alus, rangalgela Sebalt Alus, rangalgela Damay Alus, rangalgela Mongami Alus, rangalgela Ulangs Ngabarda, rangalgela Orugay Rabalgul, Ngiratkaw Viviano Math, rangalgela Motil Lieb, Madirekal Gososi Alfonsa Bintorio marangalgem. Ang esa ragim subdra rangalgela Dilbalaw Ngiramangyor, Raseba marbebi rakaw, rangalgela Dilsoksaw Dibedong Gunihiro, Radamiana Yano, Mamargi Gunihiro, Marbebi Ramiw. Dil Atur Sara Yugiwo marangalgem, marangalgelam lebid, El Hubert Lemong. Agidirekal masubrar adamam rakaw darail, rat ngasi krisong saito, paramda alabili kwarte, mamgas pasubde may madaalim edray ngasew. Ato kubet sel spedelaksaw, Noah sa Araymul, mas amlong tad ngiramangyor, amuran ngalgela landisang, Rahuyugo Henry, Maoligong, atangak lel Vice President ra Senate Dr. Stevenson Cuarte, mamgas pasubde may madray nga sewer tialulbong lel alsangul, akatsuwe aberdong. Ayraya gimsubdra ngalgela kamrang sa Araymul, Raksaw Noah sa Araymul, Madiray Trier Nancy Mangloy, rangalgelam leksaw El Ngiroy Rahelenda Yeur Daniel, Marbebi Rakaw, Marangalgelam leksaw El Bius Lemong, Ra Erminia Basilius, Madanachin Titimla, Marangalgela Meriu Roduk, Rakayong Termete, Tamat Josefino Roduk. Oryo ragim subdra ngalgela dirayabul mesengay, Radil sa amlong Mariane mesengay, Mabid Marino mesengay, rangalgela Dekong Mongami, rangalgelamle Dilrami Altalat Kitpik, rangalgela Bertang Aberdong, Radil Oligong Romana I Ngiralulg, Ma Albert Aberdong, Marbebi Ramiw. Rangalgela Angelina Lemong, Ra Serenade Mereb, Madolmers Laiter, Masenesyo Sunday, Marbebi Rakaw, Marangalgela Rimu Agemi Velbirt. Angat pang agim subdara Rabelgul Felix Osilek, maebil ra dalangabiyang misako mereb, mamgas pasubde may madaalim edray ngasew. At tukubet sel spedela Noah sa Araymul, matad ngiramangyor, amuratutog ngiralmaw, mamadras kalsol Darius Elis, mamasubdara bebi ragmiw, maradad may madaalim edray ngasew. Adira kaltukubet sel spedelar atur, Gabriel Wasisang, Noah sa Araymul, matad ngiramangyor, Amorar marangal gra ibelu rangarsul etiangal gamaldilela ebiledil gatsue aberdong. Agim sub de olngitange sura rangalgelamle ratur elemong ruaw marangalgelamle dilsaksaw dibedong kunihiro. Rangalgelamle dilsaksaw kalawlbay kadoy, rangalgela dilbalaw ngiramangyor, rangalgela bridang lemong, rangalgela bertang aberdong, rangalgela kamrang sa araymul, rangalgela diray yabukol mesengay, rangalgela talat kitpik, rangalgela dekong mongami, rangalgela mleksaw bius lemong, marangalgela mleksaw ngiroy may lemong. Agidire kalmusub rangalgela ngirat ngerur wasisang ruaw, marangalgela tatingal ruaw. Agidire kalmusub rangalgela mle ratukura sudo Moses, rawral fa marbebi rakaw. Adire kaltokubet sel spedelar atukura Gabriel wasisang, noa sa araymul, matad ngira mangyor, amora rangalgela igalaw, raodray to siye keldermens, mas pasungol masawo bedor, marbebi ragamiw, mamay madray nga sewer tialulbong lal sungula ebiledil katsue aberdong. Ang klam nga tela daw ul, ang lodekal sab el madung ang klira rokwil av. Magikmal ayamar, el mortirgel adamamal mlodekal madung ang clear, e olngita mamay madaalim, edray nga sewer tialulbong lal sungul ngikal targid, ra ebiledil katsue aberdong. El moringira ongay mlurior el February 27th, el moringira blayra aisay, el ngarangat kib rabaluray Kompmal masulang yarubakal Dios lobangged elomaknal tangat tarigida rogui. Signed, Ksaw Noah sa araymul.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi adiagal spedel matiagal tigingel malub engul de suela Dias Broadcasting Company tiang aspedirar adlul top dringi e haraorngi kohmal masulang.
WWFM is 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Dias Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Dias Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7 with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Ali ngariya malor udu subde de hatemem mun mera radio station mada gulngit ma may gim sugaw makot egrilu si aspren eloya a cell phone mal open den wargaw e waisen muk mungomur o ingrang e momrekor o ingrang etela times ratal si se sign ringi esendringi either moya ka fax mora 4884420 malub be sendringi loya ka email mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com ega ma recordringi erulia invoice esendringi le korgau e auriul ega me harau ali malia moves loya de wargau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maluba nganya harma raspedem e aki call segi the number e mga do garau era ki bomre kimru raspedem ko mal sulang.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Dias Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube.
WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi, Sine. What do you mean, oi, Sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
A countdown in Washington. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. As President Trump prepares to address Congress and the nation tonight, his second term's first State of the Union.
We are told that a large portion of the president's speech tonight will focus on the economy. He is going to make the case to Americans at home that with him in the White House and Republicans in control of the Hill, that they can achieve the American dream.
Fox's Aisha Hasni at the White House. Many other topics also likely, from immigration to Iran and Ukraine. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer says the president will deliver a state of deception and denial.
Never in our lifetime have we gone into a State of the Union where the president's rhetoric and the country's reality are so far apart.
The top House Democrat has urged his caucus to attend the speech but sit in silent defiance. Nearly 50 Democrats plan a boycott instead, some attending protest events. A White House visit for Team USA, the men's gold medal-winning hockey players, in the Oval Office with the president hours before attending the State of the Union. The women's team, which also won gold, also invited to D.C. but not attending. An emotional plea from Savannah Guthrie on day 24 of the search for her 84-year-old mother, Nancy, as the family offers a new reward of up to $1 million.
Someone out there knows something that can bring her home. Somebody knows. We are begging you to please come forward now.
Meantime, a source tells Fox News Digital the possible suspect in doorbell cam footage from the day of the disappearance may also have been seen in images from a different day, also wearing a mask and gloves but without a backpack. The Pima County Sheriff's Office is disputing this, saying there's no date or time stamp associated with the images. A partial rebound on Wall Street. The Dow up 370 points at the bell. America is listening to Fox News. The prosecution team remains in place in the murder case against accused Charlie Kirk assassin Tyler Robinson after a defense effort to disqualify them.
The defense is alleging a conflict of interest after learning that a prosecutor's daughter was in the crowd at Utah Valley University when Charlie Kirk was assassinated. That adult child did not see the shooting unfold, but was about 85 feet away from Kirk when it happened.
Fox's Ty Paro, the Utah judge on the case, ruling today the defense failed to prove any conflict of interest. Robinson has not entered a plea and there's no trial date yet. Kirk's widow, Erica, will be one of the president's guests for the State of the Union. Just getting word of a mass stabbing attack in Washington state. 5 people dead, including a 32-year-old suspect. The Pierce County Sheriff's Office says deputies were on their way to serve a no-contact order to that suspect when multiple witnesses reported he was stabbing people outside the home. Shots were fired after deputies arrived. No word yet on the identities or relationship between any of the people involved. Homeland Security just confirming 56 Coast Guard members kicked out of the service over COVID vaccine mandates have now been reinstated with back pay. A low-cost airline that hit financial turbulence is hoping to be part of summer travel plans.
Spirit Airlines says it's crunched the numbers and it's ready to exit Chapter 11 bankruptcy by late spring or early summer. The carrier's making changes, though, and it's expected to emerge as a smaller and more focused airline. It's reached a deal to sell a number of its planes, which will significantly shrink the footprint and will focus on higher demand routes. Spirit will also offer a new first-class style seating option. All said, the airline's cut its debt from nearly $7.5 billion to just over $2 billion. It's also keeping the door open for potential future mergers. Daria Albinger, Fox News.
Again, the Dow up 370, back over 49K. The S&P and the NASDAQ also in the green. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.